Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for particular places and locations on the Maps.me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the first option, and then you are going to see a search bar, so tap on it and then you are able to type in your location. Here you are going to see all the results, so click on the relevant one that you would like to see on the map. As you can see, it is indicated with this blue icon in the middle of the screen, and down below you can see the distance from your current location. You can also download the map of that particular area. You can also plan your route to or from that place. You can add it to your saved items section, and you can also share this location. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.